How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video, we're going to talk about Bluetooth thermal printing updates to 2022. It's going to pour over into 2023, probably 2024, because they don't update this stuff this drastically very often. But we have some exciting stuff to go over. This Bluetooth thermal printer absolutely demolishes the Zebra ZSB series trash printers, and it demolishes the new Dymo 5XL, the 550 printers, which are complete proprietary trash now. And it's not even a hardware update, as you will see in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and let's get into the video. We're just going to be going over features. I'm not going to be doing tutorials. Those will be separate videos. I just wanted to get this information out there because this update is huge. It's not even hardware update. It's completely software. It's a new app called Shipping Printer Pro that allows you to utilize your Bluetooth thermal printers. There's a lot of models of these on Amazon. This one specifically is a Beeper BY426. There's other flavors of these that are the same printer, just maybe slightly different, that it would still work with. And you can get these for around $100 shipped Amazon Prime, opposed to Rollo's just USB printer, which they're trying to sell now for about $200. So this is a way better value, and these are the updated features of why. With this now, we can print address labels, we can print 4x6 shipping labels from Mercari, eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, wherever, and the workflow is so much better than it used to be. The old app was called FBA Print, and when you open it now, the FBA Print says the app will not be updated anymore. You need to download the new Shipping Printer app, but now the Shipping Printer app is outdated and it's called Shipping Printer Pro is what you want. This app was super clunky. It wasn't nearly as easy to use as the Shipping Printer Pro app is, and it really was a drawback of these Bluetooth printers. It did not give them the credit that the technology deserved because the software was so bad. But this Shipping Printer Pro app is much better, and I'm going to show you guys a couple demonstrations. So here we are on our iPad. Say that you have a Mercari order. They email you the label. So you open your email, and the email is in this annoying half sheet format. It's not in 4x6 because Mercari's lame like that. All you would have to do is open that PDF in the app, and you can still see that we have all the space over here. We would crop the image or the PDF to just the label, and then we're going to hit print, and it's going to send the signal from the iPad or the phone or whatever to the printer, and it's going to print our 4x6 label. The process used to be so clunky before. Now it's that smooth. You wouldn't have to crop it if you already had the 4x6 image or PDF from Pirate Ship or from eBay or from Etsy or Poshmark. But having that crop one button press is amazing for the Mercari users out there that have not been given any user updates from Mercari, and no other software developers have really helped them other than trying to sell them like auto crop plugins and stuff, which is just ridiculous. This just solves the problem so much better. So that is available on iOS. You can also do it on Android. You can do it on tablets as well as phones. And it essentially took that and turned it into that. Another big feature in the app is templates. So it's you can create your own address labels. You can create your own thank you labels, and I'll do a quick demonstration of that. I'm going to change the paper. So I just created this is a set do not separate sticker. We're gonna use that as our template. We can create up to 10 copies, which is a limitation of the app right now. But if I wanted to create more, I would just print more multiples of 10 copies. Now we're gonna hit print. We're gonna send the signal, and it's creating this is a set do not separate stickers from within that app. So you could create thank you stickers. You could do circle templates. There's a lot of different things you can do with that feature built into the app. It now auto connects to the printer when I open the app after pairing it once. There's just a lot of value added now that this software has come out. I'll put a link to a couple of these specific printers in the description. They are fairly inexpensive in comparison to other printers, and now with that new functionality, I think it adds a ton of value to these price points as well. Specific tutorials are coming out in the future for Mercari and step-by-step stuff, so do look out for that. I also have some more printers that are coming to check out. Some new tech. Hopefully it'll be good. Thank you guys so so much for watching. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this new software update, Bluetooth thermal printing in 2022, 2023, probably into 2024. We don't see a ton of updates on this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.